Do number C here. C equals y equals 1/4 x. Okay. Now, this is one of the questions I want you guys to kick butt on. I would love it if everyone were to get 8 out of 8 on this question. Okay, this would make me so happy, and I'll shake the hand of all your grade 9 math teachers. I'm happy. Someone be brave. What is the slope of this? Be brave. Right? Okay. Lovely. M equals 1/4. Thank you, Jude. Someone other than Jude. What is slope the same as in English? What does slope mean? Go ahead. Go louder. Rise over run. Lovely. What does a rise of 1 mean? Up 1. Wonderful. Tremendous even. What does a run of 4 mean?
Right.
4 right. Okay. If you're not sure where that came from, please ask. We've done lots and lots and lots of these. Someone other than Jake and Jude are the 2 master graphers today. What is the other point that I can get from this graph? Yeah, this is, so my B is my y-intercept. It's -1, which is 0, and -1, which is my starting point. Okay. Hopefully we're feeling good about this. I want you guys to ace this tomorrow. I can't be any more clear, right? There will be a graph like this. It'll be a fractional one, okay? And if anyone does a table, I'll say graph of tables of values or slope. If anyone graphs table of values for the fraction, not you're foolish, but it's really, really difficult. Okay. I'm going to get rid of the antivirus suspicious files. The rest is, oh goodness. No. Okay. I'm going to quickly neaten up the graph here. You guys can do this on your own. I'm going to put arrows on all 4 corners. I'm going to put x-axis and y-axis. We'll need this for all 3 graphs, so please put all 3 graphs on the 1 page. Bless you. There's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, tomorrow, and I hope it's not, but there will be one person in this classroom that doesn't give me numbers. And I will growl as I mark the test paper. So please make sure that you put the numbers on here for this. I believe his name is going to be Riley. In fact, Riley, make sure you put numbers. Okay. -1, -2 will put these on. Oh. Shoot. Sorry, they're just not hearing this. How am I going to do this? Let's pretend that isn't there for a second. Why are you making that noise?
No, I like that noise. It's my unpressed noise.
Ah!
Oh, it's on computer.
Saving. Ah, no, that's what I wanted. Oh, shoot.
Just close it. Just press the X.
Mr. Sadler.
Hey! Yes.
Are you gonna graph all 3?
Yes, I'm going to just graph one of them with you guys, but you guys have to do all 3.
When we have more than one, like on a graph,
Yeah.
do we just ignore making the title and just...
Yeah. I'll show you guys. The question was here, guys. Let's say I have 3 graphs on 1 page. How do I do that? Like, do I ignore the title? This is what we're going to do. Okay, so please talk. What's going to happen is 0 and -1 will be your first point. Then we're going to go up 1 and right 4. And up 1 and right 4. And up 1 and right 4. Okay, here's my beautiful graph. The way I would do this on an assignment, I would just do that, and that's enough. So Cassie, you see that? I would just label C beside the end here. Okay, but that's a graph. Okay.
How'd you get
What's that?
how'd you get the guy in the back?
Which one, sorry?
The negative.
Okay, so the question was, here, you guys can talk, please. The question was how to get this one left. If you're going up one, right 4, on the opposite way, you're going to go down one, left 4. Just like from this point up. Okay, I'm going to hit pause, and then I'm going to give you guys about 5 minutes, and we'll come and finish up here.
Are we supposed to do A, B, and C on the same?
Yes.
Do Hickey?
Yes. Okay. I'll just record, stop my recording. Okay, we're going to, let's keep moving here, folks. There was someone who shall remain nameless who says to me, Mr. Sadler, I feel good about graphing, but it's these questions on this page that causes me stress. Okay, so it says, I'm going to start with number 3 and work our way down. It says, write an expression for the following. Please remember to declare your variables. Do you want to do A, B, or C? Actually, I'll probably do them all, to be honest.
Yeah. All of the above.
Let's start with A. Jude earns $220 per week and gets a bonus of $900. What are my 2 things that are changing?
But he's getting more money.
Okay, so all that M equals money. What's the other thing that's changing? Yeah. The week's good. We'll say less prices of less statement. Yeah. Okay, so how much money does Jude have here? Oh, well, maybe 0, but let's go with this question. Okay, how do I write, please? 220 per week. How do I write that? Okay, guys, could you please don't talk about it. Raise your hand for a question. 220 per week. Yes.
240.
Yeah. Plus 900. Now remember, every time it says per, or each or every, that means times X, or like times your variable. Okay. Next it says, and this is a sad one, Jake has 3 cats. He gets another cat each week. Well, what are my 2 unknowns? What are my 2 variables? Can you actually go here, please? Yeah, C for cats. Please do this. Please do this. Let C equals number of cats. And let W equals the number of weeks. Okay, now it's time for someone new to be brave. 3 cats and he gets another cat per week. How do I write that? Lisa, do a try.
C equals 3 plus W.
Plus W. Or if you want to call that 3 plus 1W. Right, because 1 per week, 1W. Right? So it starts off with 3. Okay. And this is a sad one. But me. Mr. Sadler, I owe $60. I owe to Quinn, let's say. I owe Quinn $60. But I earn $3 per week. How do you do this one? This is a little bit different. Well, I'm going to say money in weeks again, right? Because this looks a lot like Jude's question, a little bit different. So I'm going to let M equals money. And W equals weeks. What is that going to be in this case? Well, why do you do $3 per week? What's $3 per week going to be? 3W. Now here comes the magic of this question. If I owe $60, how do I write owing $60? Negative 60, good. Right? Now, you see what I'm doing? I'm just talking these out, right? As you're doing this on your quiz, you're only talking on the inside, but think them through. Like every statement, I'm not here in this course, okay, ladies. In this course, I'm not here to mess around with your brains here. You owe $220 per week, you get a bonus of $900. There's no extra information, right? Everything means something that I say in there. There's nothing sort of extra. Okay, Kim isn't here. We're going to do her question, though. I'm going to do some of her question. Okay. We're relatively okay on this? Relatively? Yeah. She does it now. Okay, so Kim has a job at Tim Hortons. where in 1 week she gets paid $50 plus 25 cents for each cup of coffee she sells. Does anyone here work at a coffee place? Tim Hortons or whatever else? Nobody does? McDonald's everybody work at? Okay. Tim Hortons does not pay the employees by cup. Okay?
They would probably go for it.
Because if they're paid by cup, it'd be a lot of money. So what happens, this is just a made up thing here for this. So it says here, write Kim's earnings. Please finish up here. Write Kim's earnings as an equation. Please remember to declare your variables. What are the two things that's changing here? Money is one. Good. Let M equals Kim's earnings. That works for me. And this is the key to this. I don't know for a long time. Okay. For Kim to make more money, what has to happen? What else changes? Yeah, number of cups, right? Let's see equals the number of cups. Always in these questions, there's going to be two things that interact, right? There's always going to be two things that interact. Okay, as an aside for tomorrow, this will be a 2-mark question, part A. I can give you part A, it'll cost you 2 marks though. Like, you know what I mean? So you can work on the rest of the question. Does that make any sense? Because if you can't make this equation, I can give you the equation. You'll get a 0 on that part to be able to continue the rest of the page. Does that make sense? I hope it does. That's going to happen. What's the equation actually going to be here though? Gets paid $50 plus 25 cents for each cup. How do I write 25 cents per cup? At least someone other than you. You're the only person trying there. How do you do 25 cents per cup? Alright. So I'm just going to be, when you say 25 C, I'm going to change that a little bit. I'm going to do 0.25 C. Right, because it's like 0.25 C. I'm almost done. What else do I put in there? Hello, what do I put in there? Plus 50. Okay, we're going to skip B. And we're going to go on to C and D. C says, Kim wants to earn $97.50 per week. How much coffee must she sell? What variable is going to be $97.50? Oh, goodness. M is going to be $97.50. Lovely. So I'm just going to solve the equation. 97.5 equals 0.25 C plus 50. Where I got that from is I just used this equation up here. Like, this is the golden goose for this question. Right? Every single part, the rest of the whole page is using that. How do I isolate C? How do I solve for C? Oh, you guys are totally asleep. It's been a long day, I know, I apologize. It's a lot of work today. What we're going to do is we're going to move the 50 over, right? So 97.5 minus 50. That turns to be 47.5. So what we just did here for that is, right, you're subbing in one variable to the other. I'm going to stop after my first sentence. For the second one, Kim sells 123 cups of coffee. You just set C equals 123. And M is going to equal 0.25 times 123 plus 50. Thank you guys for your patience today.